How to buy Cardano on Etoro. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to buy Cardano crypto on Etoro in easy fast method. So first thing we do, we go to etoro.com and this is the home page as you can see. Now go to the watch list right here, click on it and go here and choose crypto and you will find a Cardano here. If you didn't find it, just click the add button and add it, easy peasy. Now click on Cardano and choose the trade blue option and choose the amount of money that you want to invest. For example, I'm gonna invest $1,000 and click open trade, and I just bought it, easy and fast. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching till the end.